Hello, I'm Pauline. I'm going to be a junior here at Olin College of Engineering, and I'm going to show you everything you need to pack for college. Okay, now going into the packing list, starting with desk supplies. So I mainly take notes with these notebooks here, so I like to bring them when I come, but you can easily just get notebooks when you get to school. You can just use an iPad as well with a pencil. Then having a computer mouse. Even if you're not a mechanical engineering student, you will be using a mouse at some point, especially during your first semester class, Design Nature. One thing to not forget and to definitely label, because it's easy to lose, bring your chargers. Also bring power banks. Those are super helpful, especially let's say you do a day trip somewhere like Boston. So pack your chargers. Computer monitors. You really don't need to bring your fancy monitor from home. At Olin, some students sell their monitors pretty frequently, or you can use a online selling place like Facebook Marketplace or a Micro Center. So for room decorations, get a roll of painter's tape and then you can put up a bunch of your stuff on your walls and it easily comes off. Okay, so moving on to the bed at Olin. Most beds at colleges come in that twin XL size. So it's nice to get sheets with that twin XL size, but I've used sheets for larger bed sizes, and as long as I tuck it under well enough, it works totally fine. Pillows, that's something to bring as well and don't really come with most colleges. What I do is I put pillows in a vacuum sealed bag, and that's how I pack them, especially for the plane. So for the bed, bring pillows and pillowcases, sheets, blankets, a mattress topper, and bins for underbed storage. There is a closet that every student has in their dorm room, and so I recommend getting some hangers for that closet. Makes it super handy. And having a small vacuum cleaner for your room. Again, coordinate with your roommate on that, on who's going to provide a vacuum cleaner. Olin has communal vacuums, and most other colleges I think do, but having a vacuum in your dorm room just makes it so much easier. Okay, so for clothing, less is more. Do not bring in your entire closet. You can get those clothes for the new season when you go back home for different breaks. There's washers and dryers which are free for students to use, so I recommend just getting laundry detergent once you get to school. Get a laundry hamper, you can just kind of look one up and find the easiest one. For the closet, bring hangers, laundry basket, laundry detergent, small vacuum, seasonal clothing, rain gear, professional outfit, swimsuit, and sun gear. Okay, moving on to the bathroom. So as you can tell, at most colleges it's a communal bathroom. So you'll want shower shoes and a shower caddy, but not at Olin. At Olin, you have your own shower that you just share with a roommate or two. You have your own sink, super handy. So you can throw those shower shoes aside. Bring your personal hygiene products, toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, all that stuff. For towels, bring a hand towel, a towel for the shower, and also a towel for the pool. So another nice thing to have is a first aid kit. Doesn't need to be this big, but as long as you have some band-aids, Neosporin, some cold medicine, super great to have it on hand. So bring medication and a first aid kit, and also cleaning supplies like a surface cleaner, toilet cleaner, dish soap, and sponges. I recommend just getting those at a store nearby when you're on campus though. Another thing to remember is to bring your passport. I recommend, because you are looking around a computer, is just bringing a backpack. Definitely bring a reusable water bottle. Makes everything super convenient. Now I'm going to go on to what you don't need for college, because again, it's super easy to pack too many things. You don't need to bring garbage bags because they supply them at Olin. You don't need to bring your own toilet paper unless you have a strong personal preference there. You don't need to bring laundry quarters or shower shoes or a shower caddy. You don't need, because you have your personal shower. And a printer. All printing at Olin is free for colored and black and white printing, so you don't need your own personal printer. At Olin, there is air conditioning and heating, which is super nice. So you probably don't need to bring a fan, but again, that's up to you. To see this list in more detail, check out the Olin College website, and there you can see your first year packing list detailed out under first year housing, and you can also see frequently asked questions about living in the residential halls. So that's all the things I think you need to bring when you come to college, especially at Olin. And again, if you have anything to add, drop it in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.